Indian troops, in their continued acts of state terrorism, martyred 17 Kashmiris, including a woman and a child, during the last month of October in occupied Kashmir. According to the research by the Kashmir Media Service today, of those martyred, 11 were killed in the fake encounters. The killing by the Indian Forces personnel in the month rendered 2 women widowed and 10 children orphaned. The sleuths of notorious National Investigation Agency and State Investigation Agency arrested 78 persons, injured 10 others, and destroyed 3 residential houses during house raids and 212 cordon and search operations. Indian troops have arrested over a dozen youth in different parts of the occupied Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops arrested the youth during massive cordon and search operations. The Indian Forces personnel also raided the houses of the Hurriyat leaders, including Abdul Samad Inqalabi, and harassed the families. The house raids and operations continued till last reports came in. All parties Hurriyat conference leaders, while expressing concern over the surge in Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir, have called for the settlement of the Kashmir dispute through peaceful means of the negotiations. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC leaders in their separate statements advised India to take a leaf out of their founding fathers' book, who knew that Kashmir is a political dispute. 3 Indian soldiers were injured in a landmine blast in the Poonch district. According to Kashmir Media Service, the official said that 3 Indian army men sustained injuries in a landmine in Bhagwari Gali area of the district. Jammu and Kashmir Road Transport Corporation workers held a strong protest demonstration in Jammu and Srinagar and in other cities in favor of their demands. According to Kashmir Media Service, a large number of the JKRTC workers, led by its chairman Wajahat Hussain, assembled in Jammu and held a massive protest demonstration against the authorities.